see assets and modifiers. Assets are the big part of the whole UI system, whether it's an icon, placeholder, or an illustration. We will use them everywhere. In the upcoming video, we will see how to load assets and how to nest assets and how we can use them. So we will see how to load image using load assets group. And modifiers help you to create a stunning UI easily and quickly. There are some types of modifier in RNUILib, like layout modifiers, spacing modifiers, position modifier, styling modifier. In this video we will see the theory part. In the upcoming video we will see how to use in the application. Layout modifier is basically used to align properties to quickly position the content of your view without getting confused and calculating are those flex rules. Like we can type flex to apply flex 1 on a view. Flex value, we can in the value section we can assign value to control the flex value. And if we specify flex s, then it works as a flex ring. If we specify flex g, then it works as a flex grow. We can also add other modifier like left, top, right, bottom, row. Basically it is used to change the direction to row, and by default it is column in React Native, or also in the UILib. Center is used to center the items, and center h is like center content horizontally, and center v is the center content vertically. And spread is like a space between, similar to space between, and it does spread the content around the corners. And spacing modifiers, and there are two types of spacing modifier we use, like paddings and margin. And in padding we can assign padding like padding -30, so it assign padding 30 from all the corners. And padding L means left padding, padding T means top padding, padding R means right padding, padding B is bottom padding, and padding H values horizontal padding, and padding V is vertical padding. There are values in this, we can assign any number. So if we assign padding T and -30, then the top padding will be 30. And there is also a margin modifiers, like we can assign margin value. Value is like any value, it take number as a value. And margin L minus value means margin left, margin T means margin top, and margin R means margin right, margin B means margin bottom, and margin H means horizontal margin, and margin V means vertical margin. And there is a position modifiers, and we can change the position of the views, like absolute L, absolute T, absolute R, absolute B. Set the position and align to left, top, right, bottom accordingly according to the modifiers value. And ABS H and ABS V specify position absolute and stretch horizontally or vertically. And absolute F will set the absolute position and fill the parent view, similar to the style c.absolute fill object. And there are styling modifiers. Color key, like in the previous video we'll applied a pink color to the text, so we can specify like this color key. And background -color key, if we apply background hyphen and we assign color key, like for example pink, then the background color will be pink. And typography key, in the previous video we also added typography key. And BR and border radius key, set the border radius for the views, like br10 applies border radius 10 and br20 applies border radius 20. In the upcoming video or from the next video, we will see how to add these modifiers in the views. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.